Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. Guys, I've been away. I'm so sorry. My mind, I don't know. I'm just not here. Trying to get everything together. I had a big loss in my life, and yeah, and I don't know. I just trying to bounce back. But anyway, anywho's, it's Memorial Day. And what I'm trying to do, and you know what? Forget Memorial Day. It's spring. It's cookout season. So guys, let's get it together. And I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious coleslaw anyone has ever eaten. Okay. So, first off, let's start with the sauce. So right in here, I have a fourth of a cup of granulated sugar. I'm putting that in my bowl. I have same fourth of a cup of some lemon juice. That in my bowl. 2/3 cup of some mayo. And get that in the bowl. And this is the sauce for the best daggone coleslaw you have ever had. I'm trying to tell you. Then we have some granulated garlic powder. So we're gonna put about a teaspoon in there. A fourth of a teaspoon of some black pepper. And about a fourth of a teaspoon of some salt. Like that. And that's kosher salt that I'm using. You just mix this together. Just like so. And just mix it. Your favorite mayo, doesn't matter, it's still going to turn out the same. Your favorite mayo, may it be Duke's, may it be Kraft, whatever. You can use fresh lemon juice, or you can use stuff in a bottle. It doesn't matter who squeezed it, as long as you use it. Right? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Set to the side. Now I have 3 nice sized carrot sticks. My countertop is clean, no worries. Just put that baby on the side. Get you a bowl. Grate your carrots. Grate your 3 carrots. Right in here. Don't go down too far. That's why we're using 3, because I don't want to cut my fingers. And you shouldn't go too far down near your fingers. Alright, so I'm going to stop right here because I like my fingers. Same thing, just keep going. I'm so sorry about not having no videos out for you guys, giving you delicious foods. I'm gonna try to be consistent. This is my last carrot. I do respond when you leave messages. I'm very responsive. Alright. Alright. You could just get the bag. You ain't even gotta do all of this. Just get the bag. It's probably cheaper than what I spent on the bag of carrots and the cabbage anyway. Right? I'm gonna clean this mess up. I'll be right back. So I thought that I had pressed play and shredded the cabbage, but I did it offline, so my apologies. So now we have an apple to grate right into the sauce. So you want to grate Granny Smith apple, peeled Granny Smith, right into here. This is the secret ingredient of the best coleslaw. You've never had anything like it. It's even better than KFC's coleslaw. And everybody knows KFC got some good behind coleslaw. You only want grate one apple. Stop when you see the core. Keep turning it. So you grate that apple in there. You probably ask yourself, why an apple? Just try it. Trust me. Try this apple out in this coleslaw mixture. The juice, and the apple, and you want to mix that in there first. Get that in there. And I'm going to add our carrots. Then we're going to slowly add our coleslaw. Our cabbage, and just bring it from the bottom, pull it up, bring it from the bottom, pull it up. You probably, you know, you can double this recipe if you're having a lot of guests, but it's just me and my family, so I'm just making a small bowl. If you like less carrots, add less carrots. You like more carrots, by all means, add more carrots. I had made this recipe using 3 heads of cabbage. Need a very large amount. And just keep flipping it until all of the slaw is mixed. Like this. Now my sister, when she's done, she likes to add everything bagel on top of her coleslaw, but I'm not gonna do that. We have totally different recipes for coleslaw. I'm not saying it's not good, it's just not mine. Now it is completely mixed, and get a little elbow grease. Look at this, shorty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna give it a try. Mmm. 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 Coleslaw is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I could eat this all freaking day. If you like coleslaw, give this coleslaw a try. This is like A1 grade stuff. Guys, look at that. Look at that coleslaw. Give it a try. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.